Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is very simple arithmetic expression, but sometimes people solve it in a wrong way and find out the wrong answer. So we have to solve this quiz using correct way and find out which answer is correct. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 12, B is 2, C is 6 and D is 4. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we have here two types of rules. Actually, we have multiple rules which are similar each other, but we are discussing here two rules, which is BODMAS and PEMDAS. And these rules apply in different regions where if you follow any rule, you can get the correct answer. So the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. Step number two is basically find out the exponent part after the bracket and solve the exponent part in your expression. Step number three is basically you have to solve the division and multiplication. So you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, if you are going left to right, so you have to solve the multiplication first. And similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We have same precedence. So first of all, we will go left to right in our expression and find out which operation is coming. If addition is coming first, so we will solve addition first. And if subtraction is coming first, so we will solve the subtraction first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. Now, you can see our expression contains 10 minus 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. So, step number 1 is basically, first of all, solve all bracket. So, in our expression, we do not have any bracket. So, we will skip this step. Step number two is basically you have to find out the exponent part or order of any your expression. So we do not have any exponent part in our expression, so we will skip this step as well. Now, what is the step number three? Step number three is basically find out division and multiplication. And how? First of all, we have to go left to right in our expression, right? And find out division and multiplication. So they both have similar precedence. So first of all, we have here division. So we will solve this part first. This is the key step where some people do mistake, and what they do basically they say like I'm using the PEMDAS, so I will solve first the multiplication. And some will say it's like I'm using the BODMAS, so I will solve the division. No, this is not the rule is similar for both. Multiplication and division both has the similar precedence. So what we will do is basically we will write 10 minus 4 divided by 2 equals to 2 and multiply by 4. So here we will write 4 divided by 2 equals to 2. And now we have solved the division here. Now we will go again left to right and find out again multiplication and division. So now we have this multiplication. So we will solve this one, which is 10 minus 2 for the 8. And here I will give the reference 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. Now, move forward. We have two terms here which are subtracting each other. So what we will get the answer is 10 minus 8 equals to 2. So the answer of the given expression is basically 2. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So I hope you understand, like if you go, if you solve the wrong way, so you will get the answer is wrong. Like if you multiply 4 multiplied by 2, which is equals to 8, and then 4 divided by 8, so you will get the answer is wrong. So the answer of this expression is basically 2, which is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression and find out the correct result. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.